Hello everyone. Today we're making a towel bear. A towel bear. These are cute little bears you can make out of towels, or you can give them away as a gift. You can put them in your bathroom for decoration. Or these are fun little things, little teddy bears you can make out of a towel. All right, let's get started. The first step is you need a towel. A towel. All right. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom end of the towel and fold it 3/4 of the way up. That's about right there. All right. About right there. Here we go. Just going to fold it up. Good. All right. And you'll probably have about 1.5 inches of space right here. All right. About 1.5 inches. Next step is we're going to take this bottom end of the towel and we're going to roll it up to about the middle. To about the middle area. All right. Here we go. You're going to roll tight. Roll real tight. And roll it to about the middle. Right there where that line is at. Good. All right. Good. Now you're going to take the whole thing and just rotate it so you can roll the other end. But before you do that, you're going to take something that has a little weight to it and you're going to put it on top of this roll to hold it in place and hold it tight. All right. So I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to take, for weight, I'm going to use my tape dispenser. Okay. And just hold that. This tape dispenser is going to help hold this roll in place. Okay. All right. And it keeps it tight as well. Next, I'm going to roll this end, this side. I'm going to roll this whole side. I'm going to start at this end and I'm going to roll to the middle, Here we go. I'm going to roll tight now. Roll real tight. Okay. Try to keep it tight. Good. All right. Now I don't need this weight anymore. All right. I'm going to take it. I'm going to remove it. Put it to the side. And now I should have something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it over like that. Hold it tight though. I'll flip it over. Okay, good. Now I'm going to grab this about 3/4 of the way down, about right there. And I'm going to take this half and I'm going to twist it, and then lay it down. Can you see that? Got a light there. Twist it and lay it down. Let me do that again, because this is a step that takes a little bit of time. If you don't see it well, you might miss it. So I'm going to hold it about right here, 3/4 of the way down. And I'm going to twist it and then lay it down. All right, twist it and then lay it down. And what this is going to be is the bear's legs. This is going to be the bear's legs. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this end, and this end is his upper body. It's going to be much bigger than his legs. His legs are short and stubby. I guess that adds to his cuteness. All right. But his upper body is much bigger. Okay. So now I'm going to take his upper body and simply roll it over. All right. I'm going to fold it over like that. Fold it over just like that. Here we go. Grab it. All right. Good. Now I'm going to take it and simply fold it over. Boom. Like that. All right. Now let's turn them this way so you can see better. All right. So it should look like that. Okay. This is his upper part of his body. And this is his legs. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two rolls and I'm going to simply roll them back like this. Just push them back. Push them back. And then you got his arms. You just created his arms. Okay. So now you see his legs. And you got his arms. His arms are much longer than his legs. All right. His legs are short and stubby, like I said. So keep this end of the bear. Keep it short. Keep his legs short, not long. All right. Next, I'm going to grab the bear about right here where his neck would be. I'm going to grab him right about there. Okay. Just like that. And I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to put it around the bear, around his neck. All right. This is going to help create his head. Okay. So I'm going to put it around his neck. I'm going to twist the rubber band. I'm going to put it around his neck again. Good. I'm going to pull the rubber band, twist it again. I'm going to put it around his neck again. And then one more time, a fourth time, I'm going to pull it, twist it, and put it around his neck again. All right. So that makes a real defined neck. The tighter the rubber band, the more defined the neck gets. The more defined the neck gets. Okay. Good. Now you can kind of see his arms. All right. You see his arms. You see his legs. And you can see his ears. You can see his ears. You can see the whole bear starting to form now. You got a sense of the bear beginning to be created. Next, we're going to take our fingers. This might be weird. We're going to take our finger and we're going to put it in the bear's ear. And what that does, it helps define the ear more. Okay, see that? See, I put my finger in the bear's ear. Now the ear is more defined. I'm going to take my other finger and put it in his other ear. And now that ear is more defined. Okay, you can use your thumb too. Now that ear is more defined. Okay. All right, now he looks a whole lot more like a bear. And each step you take with this, he looks more and more like a bear. All right, now the next step is we're going to add rubber bands to his ears. All right, a rubber band here and a rubber band there. All right, let me show you. Grab a rubber band. Okay, I'm just going to simply put it on his ears. Put it on his ear like that. And then just like before, like we did around his neck, I'm going to twist it and then put it around the ear again. And this helps define his ears. This helps define his ears. Pull his ear a little bit. Okay, good. I'm going to take it, twist it, and put it around his ear again. All right, and if you can do it one more time, do it one more time. Okay. See if we can do it one more time. Great. Now I have the bear's ear. You might have to work it a bit, but now you got his ear. Okay. That's good. Now what we're going to do? Well, now we're going to do his other ear. His other ear. Okay. I got his arms. You can kind of manipulate the arms a bit if you want to make them more defined. That's good. His legs too. And now we're going to do the other ear. And of course, we're going to take another rubber band and put it around this ear. All right, here we go. Kind of squeeze the ear a little bit like that. And then put it on, put the rubber band on, twist it, put it on again, twist it, put it on again. And if you can, twist it one more time, a fourth time, and then put it on again. Okay. Look at that. Now we got not our rubber band. Now we got our bear. All right. Now we got our bear. And you can see he's come together even more. So the more rubber bands you put on, the more steps you take, the more defined the bear gets. All right. That's how art is. The more steps you take, the more defined and refined things become, and things become more clear. Okay. And so this bear is looking really cute right now. All right. And so, you can leave it like this if you like, or you can add more to it, or you can always add more to your art to make it look more interesting. So what I'm going to do is I already made some eyes out of paper. I just colored some white paper, black for the eyes, and I'll just put an eye on there like that. And I'll grab another eye. I'm grabbing these from the other bear I made, and put eye there. Okay. I'll grab the nose. I'll put the little nose on. All right. He's looking cuter and cuter. I'll grab a mouth and I'll put his mouth on. All right. Now he looks kind of sad, so I'm gonna change his mouth to the other way to make him look happier. All right. That's better. All right. So that's a cute little bear, cute little towel bear. You can also add a ribbon around his neck. Let's try that. Take it off the other bear. If you have a ribbon, you can add it to his neck. And that adds another level of detail to the bear. All right. Take the ribbon, make a little knot. I'm not good at ribbons, really, so bear with me. That in the back. Okay. And then I'm going to make a little bow. Let me pull this out more. How's that? I don't know. It's not working out really. That's good enough. Okay. I think I like that. It's a nice little towel bear. What do you think? I think that's good. All right. And there you have it. All right. This is a fun little project to make. It's a cute little project that you can make for someone. You can give it as a gift. Like I said, you can put it in your bathroom for decoration. You can give it to a child and give it to them as a teddy bear, as a toy. All right. So these are fun projects to make. I hope you had fun watching this video. I hope it was insightful. If you are having trouble making this, we can drop a comment and I'll try to help you out. But I try to make this video as simple as I could, try to go step by step, try to go slow. And I just try to make it fun for you. All right. So give it a shot, give it a try. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm Torry Wilkerson with Drawing Knowledge, and have fun.